Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sync audio with videos on CapCut PC. So select your audio. I'm just gonna take out my earphones. For instance, this audio, you're just going to right click. Actually, no, you're going to select this one and you're going to mark beats. Either select beats 1 or beats 2. Beats 2 has more like beats, and you're just going to simply go to media and add in your videos and like cropping them where the like beats are. And you're going to do that to all of your videos. And that's pretty much how you can sync your video with your audio. You can obviously like use like a different part of the videos as well here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.